Welcome to Mac OS 8. Inside of Mac OS 8, we have tons of...
Hey, we're on Mac OS 9.
I'm sorry, but I'm going to need a source for that.
Okay then.
Oh, sorry about that. Can I try again?
No, and you're fired.
Darn.
Whoa, I wonder what the Microsoft Office on this version is like. Let's check it out. Wait, where is it?
Unfortunately, the emulator crashed, resulting in everything resetting, so sorry about your Office installation. Flip it.
Darn it. Well, I suppose I could look up the various assistants. I was kind of curious at meeting that Max guy. Are you talking about me? No, a different Max. Oh.
Whoa! Who did this without permission?
Me.
Well, I am honestly shocked. You picked a good theme.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
I got a better idea. Let's use this one.
Change it back or die.
Calm down. Jeez. Fine.
If I catch you doing it again, you'll be dead next time. Finally, we have successfully ported Internet Explorer to the Mac platform.
Seriously? Where's Safari?
Sir, Apple let us develop this and will let us put in some Mac OS X versions as well.
Well, I'm sure they'll develop their own browser eventually.
Probably. But this is still a major achievement.
Yeah, I guess.
Finally! I have infiltrated this system. Time to cause some havoc. HM. This seems like a funny idea. So long, Mac OS. And so long, Genie.
Welcome to the Adobe Photoshop program for Mac OS. As you can see, we have tons of features. You can select tools here. Change brushes and colors. Unuse layers. All this could be yours for the price of $900 trillion. We also will be charging you $500 a second to use it. Yo, guess what? What? I got this thing for free. So long, sucker. Oh no! We got to get our lawyers immediately!
There we go. I got one installed at least.
Great. Now where is me?
Crap. I installed the wrong version. I meant to install 2001.
How do you confuse this old version for version 2001? Whatever, thank you for trying.
Hey, I don't see you trying to install Microsoft Word 2001. Do you realize how long it took before this dang emulator crashed?
1 minute.
Nope, a lot longer than that.
Well, I guess I can see where you are coming from.